Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a closer look at all of our Sintra AI employees. They are unreal. Let's take a look. Here we are at Sintra AI. We're all logged in, and we're just going to do a quick overview of the different AI employees that you have access to, just to give you an idea of what Sintra is offering. So we have Buddy for business development, Cassie for customer support, Comet for e-commerce, Dexter, our data analyst, Emmy, our email marketer, Gigi for personal development, Millie, our sales manager, Pen, our copywriter, Scouty, our recruiter, Xiaomi, our SEO specialist, Soshi, our social media manager, and Vizzy, our virtual assistant. And I cannot say enough good about the Sintra AI employees. Each one of them is worth their weight in gold. There's so much value here to be had. Let's just go ahead and click on Buddy here. And this is the interface that you're going to find for all of your different AI employees. On the left-hand side, you can find your power-ups. You can click on See All to look more into the power-ups. You have your history, and you also have some helpful suggestions here that you can click on, and then you could just hit send in order to start getting some amazing responses from your AI employees. And shouldn't take too long here. So there you go. So now Buddy is hard at work helping us develop a comprehensive content marketing strategy. So that gives you an idea of what you can expect with each of your employees. Let's go ahead and take a look at the power-up section. So here on the left-hand side of the menu, we're going to go ahead and click on power-ups. And from here, you can see each of our AI employees and the different power-ups that they have available for each of them. There's so much value here to be found. Take a look at our Sintra playlist, and you can do a deep dive into each of the AI employees and their power-ups so that you have an idea of how Sintra can work for you. And that's all there is to it. We'll go ahead and leave it at that. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you check in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. And there you will find a link to Sintra. If you click on that and get started with the subscription, use discount code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your subscription. I guarantee you won't regret it. It's such an amazing platform. It's one of my favorite tools that I've come across. You'll also find some links here for Cider and for EnzoBot, amazing tools as well. And we have information on our upcoming webinars. If you're interested in our Intro to AI webinar, we're going to take you through some basic tools that you can take advantage of, some tips and tricks that you can take advantage of so that you can figure out how to integrate AI into your workflow, into your business, into your creativity. Click on those links. You'd be helping us out, and we would greatly appreciate it.